Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these chunky Marley braids. If you're new to my channel, karibu sana sana, please subscribe below. Okay, subscribe below and let's get on with the video. Nobody can stop reggae. I'm going to be showing you how to install Marley chunky braids. I've been doing that protective style for like 2 weeks now and I really like it, and I thought I just show you. It's so simple, you won't even believe it. We're going to do 5 of them. I've already done 3, so I'm going to be showing you how to install the rest too. So at the front you're going to section your hair in 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3, and then the remaining section at the back you're going to section it 2 times. So let's get started. I'm moisturizing my hair using Organics hair mayonnaise, and I've already wet my hair, so my hair is already moisturized by the water, and then I'm adding the cream to seal in the moisture, guys. So moisturizing your hair is very important for this hairstyle, so make sure you moisturize your hair to avoid it getting dry. And yeah, I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 braids, and I'm just straightening them up. And what you're going to do is you're going to divide your hair into 2 parts like that, and then take the Marley braid or whichever braid you're using, grab it at the center and place it at the center of the 2 sections like that, and then you're going to twist one clockwise and the other one anti-clockwise, just like the way you do a normal regular twist. Make sure you've gripped your hair very strongly, because if you don't grip at the end strongly, then the braid won't be tight and won't be cute. So as you can see, I am twisting downwards, clockwise and anti-clockwise, within the 2 braids, and that is it, guys. That is how you twist your hair. I'm going to show you how to do this again. So after you've moisturized your hair, take your hair and split it into 2 parts at the middle like that, and then you're going to grab the braid you're using. If you're using straight braids, guys, you'll have to use stretched hair, but because this is Marley braid, that's why I'm using it on unstretched hair. So place it at the center, grab your hair with the Marley braid on that side and your other section on the other side, and twist anti-clockwise, grabbing the roots very firmly, and twist until you start twisting downwards. And that is it. Very simple. If you feel like it's complicated, you can do this several times, and I'm sure you will get a hang of it. I love this hairstyle because it's super easy. I am doing 5 of them, and this actually lasts me 2 weeks. But as you can see, my hair is peeping out of the braid. That's because I only had 1 pack of the braid. So if you have 2 packs, this will be better and it will be more proportional than using 1 pack. But this actually works for me because sometimes, the struggle is real. And that is it. That is actually it. My hair is completely done. And to style my hair, I like to hold my hair at the back, because rocking this hair like that is kind of crazy. So I braid the hair together like that, and then I will secure it by putting that hair at the back of the, like that. I'll secure it like that, And yeah, it looks cute, it looks neat. And if you're extra, you can go ahead and lay your edges just to make your hair more neat. But all in all, because it's Marley braid, it's meant to look like your hair. As you can see, it's blending very nicely with my hair, and applying gel on your hair or laying your edges is not really a must, it's just optional. And that is it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.